This is day 84 and I am in Bondi Beach. Isn't it good? Look at that. Alright. So today's yoga destination is this one, and it's pretty interesting because I have a lot of schedule to follow today, and I'm running late and I'm still making this video because it's important, isn't it? It's important that I commit to what I have said. Alright, yeah, so basically it's going to be a fun day. I have found a little bit of flat surface. It doesn't look flat. Oh, okay, that's a flat surface. I have been seeing from past many days. So yeah, it's interesting how things evolve. So today I will be doing my share in the platform I used to talk about a lot as well. The share is about thoughts, changing your behavior through thoughts. So 5 simple steps. 5 simple steps. Is it covering it? 5 simple steps. Gather, research, revisit, journal, and finally conclude. So how do we do that? It's basically I used to follow some pattern, but I haven't done it in a very core way. And this is going to be a chance to learn for myself as well and start doing these things and implementing in my life. Trying to get to the core of an issue and trying to make more examples out of it. Alright, I'll finish with this. Thank you.